Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So finally got in my case, another case, and a tempered glass for the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. So let's start with the tempered glass. Let's see how they package this. Box was a little beat up, but it's all good. As long as the glass is good, I'm good. Let's go along the bottom here. Alright, let's see how well they did. Yeah, and they got this right here. Nothing else in there. So we're gonna clean up the glass. And I got me a different case also because I wanted to. Now this is another one of those ones that just goes around the edges, which is perfectly fine to me. But I want to make sure that I have some kind of protection on this phone. I really like it. It'll be traveling to Vegas this year. It's a little scratched up already. It's a little scratched up, some micro scratches. I'm just gonna pop this on because it looks like it's pretty clean. Get my glasses here. I can't see any of that. All right. So it goes around the little sensors. It's even got the cutout for the LED flash. So this should be just a drop. It should be all right. I definitely like this one a little bit better than the one that's on the Mi 8. Oh, this one adheres to the entire screen. Oh yeah. See, I didn't know it adhered to the entire screen. That's what I'm talking about. So this one definitely is going to be nice. I wish the one on the Mi 8 would adhere to the entire screen. When it has these bubbles like this, they come out eventually on their own. So I don't really sweat it. Over time, those bubbles come out. You guys trip me out. You'd be like, oh man, I can't deal with those bubbles, Jay. But they definitely come out on their own. I've learned that these screen protectors that adhere to the entire screen like this, they just kind of work themselves out over the 48 hours or so. They just kind of come out. Like you see all of those around the edges, it's not lining up. It just works itself out on its own. I'm not really tripping on that. Now I did get another case. I'm lying. That's going to annoy me if it doesn't come out over the next 24 hours. So I'm just lying. That's going to annoy me if it does not come out over the next 48 hours or so. I will say in my previous experience, they always come out, but we shall see. Now let's move on to the case. This is the factory case right here. Let's clean the phone up just because, even though we get it covered right back up. All right. So here's the case that I got. It's basically that same case, just in red. That's all. Feeling it. I wanted something different, man. So I got this red version pretty much. This one is a little bit better though. It's got a little lip on it, as you can see. It's got a little spot for a lanyard, and it feels different too. It's a little bit softer than this. Is a rougher feel. This is a little bit softer. So that one's going back aside. And this one gives some kind of camera protection as well. That is. Boom, that looks sweet now. That screen protector better work out, son. It better work out. But here it is, man. So you got the cutout on here. Compared to the other case, it goes all the way down. Yeah, but the sliding mechanism and everything still works. When I slide it open, go straight to the Bible app. You can see, yeah, that's it, man. You can see how it goes down like that. That's what's up. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Definitely a change from that one. Now the glass, I'm just praying that it fixes itself. I might have to reapply it. I don't know. But as long as this case is on, man, I was so ready for the case. You can see it's got a little lip protection around it now. I'm solid. All ports and everything. Yeah. Loving it. It's your man Jay. I'm out.